Namaste everyone. We often talk about making learning student centered, but how often do we truly bridge the gap between classroom teaching and home revision? Our respected principal, sir, Dr. Prabhat Kaushik, has taken a remarkable step in this direction by introducing a dedicated doubt clearing session initiative, a system that encourages students to reflect, revise, and resolve their doubts regularly. Here is how it works. After attending classes, students are motivated to revise the day's work at home. If they face any confusion, be it a concept, a question, or an explanation, they note it down in their doubt notebook. Then their mother click the picture of the written doubt and send it to the class teacher. This simple process has a powerful purpose. It builds the habit of self study and encourages students to take the ownership of their learning. More importantly, it promotes parental involvement, making education a shared responsibility between school and home. The next day, these doubts are addressed by the subject teachers during class. This regular, systematic clearing of doubts ensures that no confusion accumulates and every learner moves ahead with clarity and confidence. What makes this initiative even more effective is the follow up mechanism. If the class teacher doesn't receive any doubt for 3 consecutive days, a gentle reminder message is sent to the parents. If there is still no response, the parents are invited to meet Principal Sir to discuss whether the child is revising properly or facing any hidden challenges. This thoughtful approach sends out a strong message. Learning is not just about teaching, it's about follow through reflection and timely support. Thanks to our principal sir's vision, we now have a structured method that reinforces revision, strengthens teacher student parent communication, and most importantly, empowers our learners to raise their hand, speak up, and ask. Let's continue to nurture curious minds and remember, no doubt is too small to be cleared.